Hi and welcome back to another video in this channel. You know my name. My name is Martha Makwata if you're seeing this face for the very first time. So usually I bring videos on cooking, mini and just proper shopping haul, grocery hauls. I also bring videos on juicing. Yes. So if you love such content, remember to subscribe, to like, comment if you love. So today I'm back again with another exciting video. Hey, it is December 1st. I know I'll not post this video on December 1st, but of course it will come out. And I'm just coming back from a mini shopping. I've decided this time to do it mini because sometimes when I do a major grocery haul, for sure pushing those things is not easy if you are alone. And of course, you know, if you have teenagers, you have young adults, they will not always want to tag along. So you know these things. So bear with me. So today I'm bringing to us a mini haul, mini shopping. It's quite mini because I remember I did a quite major one on if not Thursday, then Wednesday last week. But today I'm doing a very mini one. I actually just wanted soap, bathing soap for us. That is what had run out. But I ended up, of course, getting some 2-3 things that were lacking in the home. So come along, let's see what we have. Then I'm also doing a cooking video of what I've just bought. I also want to share with you. So come. So last time I showed you I bought Vim in sachets, and one packet has been divided into these containers. I noticed we had lost our containers like this one. We only had 2. So this one is going to one of the bathrooms in the home. We'll also take one of these containers in that bathroom. I've just bought these ones today and this one. So these ones cost 80, was it 80? Yeah, 80 or 95 shillings. And I'm sure we'll use them over and over again. So yeah, that's that for that. The Vim was bought last time, but the containers, I've bought them today. So I've also bought these containers for my sons for their gym. They like carrying water, so I've bought these for them to use in the gym. They are also budget friendly. They are budget bottles because they go with them and they leave them there. So I decided to buy budget ones. This one is an essential in the home. Normally I want to use a funnel. It's called a funnel. And I find that I don't have, so today I remembered to buy. So for these ones, the containers were 95 shillings if I'm not wrong. The bottles were 88. You can see this is really budget friendly, and the funnel was 15 shillings. Okay, and I bought, let me just turn them here. I bought this soap, which today I want to tell on Carrefour. On their counters, they have indicated 95 shillings. But when you get to the paying till, the soaps are 108 shillings. So I don't know what was happening today. And I decided to buy this black soap, Milele black soap. I just want to try it. It was also very budget friendly. Yeah. I also bought milk. Let me bring the other one. So I also bought milk. Today I went for Tuzo. This normal packet, not the hard packet, but it is not for refrigeration. how is it normally called? Let me remove one too. Yeah, refrigeration. No refrigeration, 90 days. It can stay on the counter for 90 days. But this normal packet, I think because of talking much, sometimes I forget the way things are supposed to be referred to. Of course, lactose free. I have one packet. This should be enough for me for 1 week. My spouse is away. So, and yes, I added, I had finished my black pepper and Spanish paprika, which I added. And of course, I bought some fish for the family, which we've washed already. We want to prepare. It is over here. This one we are preparing right away to eat. So yes, that's what we had for our mini shopping. And I hope you're learning something. And yes, this tenner tissue. By the way, today I noticed we use a lot of money on tissue. Recently, I was lucky to get EXC to kg unga at 124. I bought 6 packets. That is not even 700. And that one can last me and my family for 1 month. Imagine for tissue, this one, 12 pieces at 476. And that is special price. And this one cannot last us even for 2 weeks. My goodness. So in a month, we use about 2K on tissue. Minimum 1,500. Hey, do your maths. This tissue thing. No wonder in the villages people use leaves. Now I understand totally. Okay. So right on to what we are cooking. And I think you have an idea of what we are cooking. Sorry for the blurry vision. This phone, I'm supposed to soon replace it. S21 is tired. S21 Ultra amechoka. Okay. So for our fish, this is what we are preparing. Fish stew and ugali for our dinner. And I'm doing an early dinner preparation. What will go into this fish? Of course, our spices. I'll put in black pepper and I'll put in curry powder. Let's see what else will go into it. But so far that. And these tomatoes, this onion, some garlic. Of course, not the whole of this. Of course, oil to fry and salt to taste. So let's move right into the cooking part. I'm putting in our cooking oil. So we'll cook our fish, then I'll show you the way it will come out. Of course, I've shared with you the ingredients, so let's see the way it turns out. Putting in our onions plus our garlic. So I'm using this spoon. It is a smaller spoon that can pass as a teaspoon. So I'm putting in this amount of curry powder. Yeah. So for the king of my kitchen, black pepper, we'll put in just according to taste. Oh, I guess I should also put in some Cayenne. Pilipili kidogo kwa mbali. This is here. Yeah. I'll also put in a fresh pepper, fresh pili pili. So that is our spices so far. The onions have also browned so well. So let us put in our tomato. And for our tomato, we blended it. It's here. In goes our tomato. We'll give time to our tomatoes to cook, then we come back and see the next step. So our soup, our tomatoes has been boiling or stewing for the last close to 5 minutes now, and I guess it's ready. I've also added in chili, pili pili. We call them pili pili in Swahili. So green chili. So right about now, I want to add in our fish so that we now stew it, ready for dinner. Sorry. Accident in the kitchen. So I'll just pick with my hands, which are clean, and I'll add into my pot that way. So we'll stew this for about, we'll let it steam or boil, whichever you want to call, for the next 10 minutes. I guess our stew will be ready. I'm also adding in some salt. Our salt is here. So let me bring the light so that you see it nicely. That's the way everything looks. I've added in salt, but I'll taste whether it is enough or not, then I'll add. I've used the same teaspoon that I used on our curry powder. I'm also adding in some little water to just help with the boiling. Yeah, about half a cup of water. So I'll cover it and let it simmer or boil for the next 10 minutes. I'll turn the other side. 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other side. Our fish will be ready. Then we will prepare ugali together. So I want to use these tongs to turn, and as you can see already, our fish, the side that was down is quite cooked. So I have to be gentle as I turn. So it has been boiling for the past 5 minutes. And this other side will boil for about 5 minutes also. We are ready to eat. I really wanted to take us through me preparing ugali with you, but my phone charge is low, so I have to charge it. So bear with me, I'll show you at the tail end how it will come out. Our fish is ready. I'll also show you on the plate. Our ugali is going on great, as you can see. This is the vegetable we'll be using. I know you will comment that it's not green, but it's very yummy. We'll put in some cream. Ugali. So we are warming our mboga in readiness for our dinner. Actually, our ugali is ready. As you can see, it has even browned down there. And when you touch, it does not leave anything on your fingers. Let me just show you. You see, it leaves my finger clean. That's the way we taste ugali. So I'm turning it into a hot pot, ready for serving. Come with me to the hot pot, ready for serving. So that's it for our ugali. Let's see our food on our plate. So far, that's our fish stew. It's ready. It's been simmering for quite a while. So this is the way our plate looks. Our fish, our sukuma wiki. Our ugali is not here, but that's the way it looks. Kindly remember to comment, subscribe, like the video, share it if you can. This is fresh fish. The way people fear camera in this house, they can even try and vanish. So thank you for watching this video. If you've watched until this time, thank you so much. So until the next video, bye for now. And I love you so much, my subscribers.